Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Talking to myself that I done really nigga hood. Had to see my people down and that's the only thing I feel. I've been looking for the truth, should've been looking in the mirror. To my white girl I'm cut, and she think that I'm just weird. I ain't never get no love, so I find that shit weird. And I gotta taste the love, and it always taste like beer. Always put me on my rear.
Nice squad, what it going on, boy? I'm talking about on, boy. It is your boy Sniper Jones back with another video, man. Y'all know we doing this stuff. As y'all seen before, I've been waiting a very long time. And because of that, this video might not do so well because the shoe is old. No, it's not Travis Scott Forge. I'm gonna go ahead and put that out here now. Already got those. So, everybody getting Travis Scott Forge late, that's off the subject, but I just want y'all to know, I know y'all probably tired of seeing that shoe. So am I. These are not Travis Scott Forge, bro. But it is some heat though, boy. It is some heat. Now, I titled this video, "Is this the ugliest shoe of 2018? Valid question, because a lot of people say it's the ugliest shoe of 2018. Alright, come on. Time to be honest. When collecting sneakers, it's very important that you stay away from what other people think. It sounds easy, but if you're in the community, you know it's a little bit harder than it actually sounds. That's like you being in high school and your parents like, just go to school and get good grades. Sounds easy, but it's not really. You got distractions, you got the bad chicks in class you staring at, you got class clowns over here, and you just got so much other stuff going on. Sometimes, man, going to school and just getting good grades ain't that easy. At the end of the day, it's your money. You know what I'm saying? It's your money. Spend your money on what you want to buy. Yes, I'm a YouTuber, but it's not like Champ Sports is sending me anything. At least not at the moment, boy. Or it's not like Jordan Brand is sending me anything. At least at the moment, boy. So what that means is I'm still spending my hard-earned bread, and every shoe I bring to you guys, it's a shoe that I actually want. Cause like I said, I'm not about to waste my money on a pair of shoes I don't want in my collection. I say it's different for a lot of other YouTubers because of the simple fact that they don't always have to buy their shoes. I mean, they get shipments and shipments, which is super dope, and that's something I always wanted for my channel. But I just feel like when that happens, you can kind of get wavered in you're stating your honest opinion because, I mean, they were gifted and you didn't actually go out and buy it. Cut out all that jibber jabber, man. I just want to talk to y'all a little bit shortly about picking up what you like, because this is a pair that y'all probably gonna kill me in the comment section about, which is fine because I'm fine with it. I bought this pair and I wanted it. So, like I said, if you buying shoes, bro, or anything, clothing, whatever, buy what you like. It's your money. Whoever don't like it, they ain't pay for it. They need to mind their damn business. Shout out to UPS. I'm about to whoop y'all ass. Bruh, y'all supposed to ship this damn box off at least 2 weeks ago. I'm just now getting this box. Okay, I'm gonna try to relax. Like I said in my former video, if you haven't watched that, I ordered these shoes early to be able to get the review out early, because I know in sneaker YouTube, if you don't get the shoe out fast, nobody gives a damn. It's all about current topics. If the shoe is hot, if the shoe just dropped, put it out now. Once I wouldn't even say hype, but once people already seen 30 or 40 reviews from the same shoe, you're really not gonna want to see it no more. But let's see what we got though, boy. Y'all know I open my sneaker boxes very gently and very soft and soothing because I love my shoes. Finally, golly, bro. They need to do a better job with the packaging or whatever. Oh, as y'all see on that box, boy, Yeezy 500, boy, 500 of them things, boy. These are my first pair of Yeezy 500s, and of course, if y'all are even into these 500s, then you know not too long ago a pair dropped, the colorway that I was actually super excited about. And bro, I got these when I was on my way to SneakerCon Chicago, which was like 2 weeks ago, and it was just a terrible experience. But this is my first time seeing these up close in person in my size, and I'm excited, bro. Wow, man, y'all see these things, bro. This is my first pair of Yeezy 500s, and I wanted this colorway because I thought it was super dope. Now, the first colorway to drop was the blush colorway. That was the first pair. This pair is the second colorway that they had dropping, and I thought it would be dope, man. Number one, I thought it would be cool for the collection because it's unlike any pair I have. Number two, I thought it would be dope because, you know what I'm saying, the colorway, right? This off yellow, this semi yellow colorway is super dope, and I wanted the blushes, but when I seen the pictures of these, they were kind of similar. So I said, I'm probably not gonna get both. I'm gonna choose one or the other. And the one that I wound up picking was these Super Moon Yellow Yeezys. Now, as I said before I even opened up this box, I know a lot of you guys hate these, especially a lot of my older subscribers who believe that people my age just buy shoes like this because of Kanye. People like me just buy shoes like this because of the hype. So some of you guys might be even calling me a hype beast. My thing is, if you watch my channel consistently, you know that I review tons and tons and tons of general releases. And every now and then I get a pair of Human Races, get a pair of Yeezys, or something along the lines that a hype beast would rock. My personal opinion is you cannot be a hype beast if you review and buy nothing but general releases, and every once in a blue moon you buy a yellow moon, boy. But nah, seriously, man, we really have to figure out what the word hype beast mean, because if this is being a hype beast, then I mean that's kind of crazy, because why would I buy nothing but GRs? For people who don't even know what hype beast is, that's just a term for people who only buy shoes unless they're popular, only buy shoes unless they're super hyped, unless everybody else wants them. In the case of this shoe, it's not even a super hype shoe. This shoe I bought for $200 on Yeezy Supply. It was at like an extra 20 bucks for shipping, so I bought this for a total of like $220. You can get these on StockX right now for $219. You know what I'm saying? I could have got these in Chicago for like $240. So it's not a hype shoe. If it was a hype shoe, the resale price would be way higher than it already is. So can you even say this is a hype beast shoe? It's no hype around it. Nobody cares about it. You can buy it for $20 over retail. It's not hype in my opinion. That's not a hype shoe to me. But it is a dope pair of shoes. And like I said, I'm super excited. I wanted to do a review in on foot, but like I said, this package got here so late. I don't even know if it's really a purpose of me doing an on foot in a review, because there's been so many videos that have already hit of this same shoe. And I know people are probably either tired of it or they seen so many videos that they just won't really care about another one. But what I can say is I want you guys to let me know down below in the comment section, would you like to see that from me? So a lot of people do videos, but I mean, they don't all do them like me, boy. So with that being said, if y'all would like for me to do a review on foot of these, then I definitely will. It will not be a problem at all. But that's up to you guys, because at the end of the day, I make videos for y'all. Comment down below in the comment section if these are a win or not. Like I said, I'm ready for the mixed reviews. It really don't bother me at this point, you know what I'm saying? I can get through it, boy. Follow me on social media down below in the left-hand corner. That is Sniper Jones, man. On Instagram, I do comedy skits. Go on IG Live. I talk to all of my followers and just my fam, man. Y'all my fam. I appreciate y'all. And until next time, man, I will see y'all later. Is this the ugliest shoe of 2018? It's a valid question. A lot of people hate this shoe, and I'm actually looking forward to other colorways like the utility black and the purple, because I thought those was dope. So I'm gonna probably get those too. Until next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. Be blessed, and come back for more videos. Gang, gang.
They gon' love me for my ambition. Easy to dream a dream, but what's harder to live?